Let's look at Nifty quickly. So what we are seeing here is these are the pivot levels of Nifty for this month of January, which is about to end 2 days later. Now look at this. Markets opened here on a daily chart basis. Okay, this was 2nd January, 3rd January. This is how it fell, and you can see this. It never closed below this. Markets did go below the first support. See the long lower shadow here, and then it went up, closed here, which is a proof that it will go up. But then you see this big bearish engulfing candle which pushed it again down, but once again market did not cross below that. Markets opened here, it went down, it took a support, again went up. After so many testings, multiple testings, it became evident that even though the support technically seems to be 17,830 S1, the orange line, but really is the support that? No. Actually, it seems that the support is 17,761, because this is where markets went up, went down, and then it has already gone up. This is where it took a support, it's already gone up. This is where it took a support, gone up. So seems that this is a perfect support, because after that it has crossed up, it went up, it went up, it went up. But what happened? Look at this, and then this, and then this. So not only did it close below the S1 level for the first time in this month, but it also closed below the 17,761 level. And something happened there, by the way. It went all the way to 17,500 approximately, which is a very big support level psychologically for Nifty. It tested it and it closed above the support. This shadow here kind of tells you that from Monday maybe we may not see a further fall. You never know. Maybe, maybe not. But this long shadow here, which wasn't otherwise visible if you would not have seen the charts, that somewhere proves that maybe the recent reaction of market has to react to everything. The reaction is over. But if it falls below this level once again, which level is it? The blue level, which means 17,567. If it manages to close below it, then 17,000 is a very, 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 very much gettable figure. Then the third candle will be a very big one. So it could happen directly on the next day only, and it crashes below 567 and it closes somewhere here. Maybe test levels below that 17,100 and then it closes above 17,142. Very much possible. But it doesn't seem from here that there is any good recovery signs. For sure it is going inside the downtrend phase. Let's remove the pivot from here and look at the daily chart of last 1 year. Now see this. Is there a clear uptrend ka trend line which was made by Nifty? Could you all spot this uptrend ka trend line? Are you all following that uptrend ka trend line also? Now this line, multiple confirmations along the way, and this is how it has been. Now it seems that there is a resistance around this point here, because after this breakout gap down, tried to go up and then it could not, so it is like this. I think this is actually a better trend line than what it was before. Correct? Because this is also closing, and you know, in certain situations I allow you to have wicks below the trend line. Correct? Right? I told you there could be wicks below the trend line. There shouldn't be any closing below the trend line. Fine? Is there any closing below the trend line? No, it's an opening. It's not a closing. First maturity level which you should be attaining now is, because you're doing the advanced course, is that trend lines can be made by skipping some of the rules in some situations if it is for the overall betterment of the pattern. So it is quite evident that this served as a very big breakdown for the market. That's why after it closed exactly this point here, there was a gap down opening directly here, right? And then Nifty tried to go up. It touched this, but then because it touched venom, it went down from there. And after that, it's only down. Try to go up, it's only down. So it is clear that this is a better trend line. Now the only problem is there are some violations here. No, there is not violation. They are not violations because there is a closing below this. No. So as long as there is no closing below this trend line, it's fine.